家哈嘎。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, the phrase is very simple, and it's a great phrase because we hope things can be simple. 简单怎么说？
简单。
简单 ，OK。当然，人生呢过得简简单单多好啊。
是啊。
可是讲到人生，带小孩是一个好累的事情啊。
是啊，绝对不是简单的事。
我自己还没生啦，可是你知道妹妹的小孩啊、姐姐的小孩啊，什么都
有
的时候帮忙带，真的很累的。
你在实习吗？
应该要，对，应该要跟你请教了，对。
可是我家的已经很大了。
So let's put you in a situation of how it's not so easy raising kids. All right. 我昨天帮姐姐带小孩，好累哦。Yesterday I took care of my sister's kids and I'm exhausted. 怎么说呢？
愛操本業，
愛操本業，
老阿姊，
老阿姊，
天數突聲音呢，
天數突聲音誒。
很 Q 油，
很 Q 油 ，Q 油要腔调的感觉，怎么办？
就是好累哦。
很 Q 油 ，OK, that's the last part of that phrase or that sentence. That means I'm tired, I'm exhausted.
我教你，你就丢个玩具给他玩，他喜欢的玩具，他就不会吵你了。
我也是这么想。You know, a lot of people say just buy some toys and let them play with it and it'll be fine. No, it's not like that. Okay, maybe it works for maybe half an hour and that's it. But they want your attention all the time, right? Okay, let's teach you that. 怎么会呢？买玩具给他玩就好了。
用 Voino，
用 Voino，
買教機，
買教機，
本記教。
本記教，
秋後嘞
就好了，这样子对。So go ahead and buy some toys, let him or her play with it, and it'll be fine, right? No, 当然不是那么简单啊。说的简单，那下次给你带好了。
好了，我有经验。
It's easy said. Why don't you try it next time? How do you say that?
講到按簡單，
講到按簡單，
給行一拜。
給行一拜，
本唔突，
本唔突，
对，
下禮拜給你帶，
不是下次。
下次哦。All right, so it's easy said. Why don't you try it next time? All right, let's review some of these phrases right now. 好累 so tired.
很 Q 油，
很 Q 油 and then a toy 玩具，
搞機，
搞機 and next time 下次。
行一拜，
行一拜，听起来好像是下礼拜，但是就是下次的意思啦。That means next time. And this month, it's all about the phrase 简单，
簡單，
简单。Okay, not easy again. Raising kids. Kudos to all parents out there. You guys are the best, man. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
男子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.